I have created this project in PHP and MySQL. So let's see what it's about. It's about an e-commerce website. The admin can log into its admin panel, and then he can add categories, he can add products, he can manage the cart, he can delete products, he can delete the categories, he can edit the categories. So let's see. If I go to the localhost directory where I placed my project, so if we go to the index.php, it will not allow me to access any web page that is included inside this electronics directory and inside this admin directory. This electronics directory and inside this admin directory. So I cannot access any file in the admin directory until I log into the system. Right. So let's log in here, and the password is I have 1 2 3 4. I have. So if I type here an incorrect password, see, it will show me an error. The password should be correct, or if I type an incorrect email, then it will again show me this message. So let's now log in here. So, and the password is, see, now I have been logged in the index.php page. So it's a dashboard here. So let's first see the categories tab. Now I have logged in as an administrator, right? So I can add category here, I can edit it, and I can also delete it. So you can see here I have two categories here. One is AC and one is like AC means Samsung's AC, Orient AC, whatever. And the second category is camera, like Sony's models, like Sony camera, and many more. So if I add a category here, suppose mobile, see, it has been edited here, and it is inserted inside the database. It is inserted in the MySQL database. So it is fetching here inside this table from the MySQL database. So now I can also edit it and I can also delete it. So let's edit this category AC. Just click on there here, and see, it's showing the name here, and like whatever I have. So you can see here it has been edited here. So I can also delete it here, right? So if I click here, it has been deleted. So, and the second tab is the products tab. So these are those products which will be displayed under the categories tab, right? So if the category is AC or mobile, then the, see here, so if the products category suppose is mobile, it will be displayed under the categories tab of named mobile, right? So we will see it in the front end, so how the visitor could see the categories and its products in the front end. So I will show that view later. So we can also edit it, delete it, create a new product here, and so on. And the third one is the cart. the third one is the card. I will show you later, and the fourth one is the user. Now you can see here I have 2 users in my database, and see this section role. The role is visitor, admin. There are 2 roles, and this admin role is assigned to this email that I logged in, right? And the other 2 are visitor. So what is the difference between them? If I log in with the role of admin, I can insert into the database, I can edit the database, I can delete the database, right? And if I log in with the role of admin, with the role of visitor, so then I cannot create, I cannot update, and I cannot delete the database. I can only visit it, I can only see the database, I cannot take any action on it. So let's see now. So you can see let's sign in with a visitor's email, so which is this one is sign in visitor, and the password is 1 2 3. So you can see I have been logged in now with the visitors role. So if now we suppose we go to the categories tab, now you can see we cannot edit it, we cannot delete, we cannot create. I have hidden those actions if I sign in with a role of a visitor, right? And also the users tab, you see I cannot edit, delete here, and also the products tab, see it is hidden. It is not actually, it is restricted, and it is restricted to the role of the visitor, so he cannot take any action on it, and he cannot delete the database from the URL, like somebody goes there and write here the URL of the process file that I have created, that file and ID of the row. Suppose this row, which is this row, its ID is 7, and if we write here suppose category dash ID is equal to 7, if I, then he cannot delete it from the URL because his role is a visitor, like so let's see here. So this is the directory of the process file, and if I want to remove an ID of, let's say, actually I am in the products tab, let's go to the categories tab, no, yeah, so let's delete it here, and this is the URL that I have created for deleting the row of the database. So suppose I want to delete the row with an ID of, suppose this one 13, so let's write 13 here, see it is returning nothing because my access to that delete dash ID is equal to 13 is restricted, right? So now if